Hope Hicks, the former communications director for Donald Trump, testified in his New York criminal hush money trial. During her testimony, she described Trump's complete control over the 2016 campaign. Hicks was visibly emotional, breaking into tears as she recounted the campaign's reaction to the Access Hollywood tape scandal. Hicks identified the tape where Trump spoke of groping women as a crisis for the campaign. She recounted the immediate panic among the team and described the event as a pivotal moment. Hicks testified that Trump directed the campaign's media strategy, emphasizing that they followed his lead. She is a key witness for the prosecution, offering insights into Trump's involvement and decision-making during the campaign. Her testimony is crucial in establishing the former president's direct connection to the alleged media manipulation efforts. Prosecutors are focusing on Trump's role in silencing stories that could have damaged his presidential run. Hicks detailed Trump's hands-on approach with the campaign's branding and messaging strategies. According to her, Trump was the main architect of the campaign's public image and media responses. This places him at the heart of the actions under scrutiny in the trial. During her testimony, Hicks also reflected on her close relationship with Trump, which cooled after the January 6th insurrection. Her discomfort was palpable, especially as Trump watched her while she took the stand. She admitted to being nervous, highlighting her long history with Trump, including her time as his White House communications director. Hicks's testimony included her reaction to the initial news of the Access Hollywood tape leak. She expressed concern over the tape's contents and the campaign's lack of time to formulate a response. This incident was described as significantly damaging by Hicks. She also mentioned a 2015 meeting at Trump Tower with David Pecker, which prosecutors say was crucial in the catch-and-kill strategy to bury damaging stories. Pecker's testimony corroborated the presence of Hicks in meetings discussing efforts to manage negative press about Trump's alleged affairs. The trial also delved into the payments made to silence Stormy Daniels and Karen McDougal, which prosecutors argue were part of a scheme to protect Trump's candidacy. These payments were allegedly masked as legal expenses in Trump's company records, leading to charges of falsifying business records. Hicks recounted an inquiry from the Wall Street Journal about the National Enquirer's dealings with the stories of Daniels and McDougal. Trump's concern, according to Hicks, was to ensure denials of the relationships were conveyed, despite the focus of the story being on the payments for silence. Text messages between Hicks and Michael Cohen were displayed, showing their concern about the Wall Street Journal story gaining traction. Hicks's laughter during the recounting of these messages highlighted the irony she saw in the situation. The testimony touched on Trump's personal concerns too, including worries about Melania Trump discovering the allegations. Hicks described Trump's instructions to ensure that certain newspapers were not delivered to their residents following the damaging reports. As the cross-examination began, Hicks became emotional, requesting a break from the proceedings. Her testimony underscored the intense pressure and complex dynamics within Trump's campaign and subsequent legal battles. As she left the courtroom, the emotional toll of her testimony was evident.